Now let us solve Model Question Paper 1, which is issued by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. From the problems are from the chapter Trigonometry, Introduction to Trigonometry, which is very important chapter. Before going to solve the questions, let us collect the important points to remember. If ACB is a right angle triangle, right angled at C, then the longest side, that is AB, is hypotenuse. If angle A is theta, the side opposite to theta is opposite side. Side adjacent to theta, that is AC, is known as adjacent side. Then we have to understand about the 6 trigonometric ratios. Do you think it is very difficult? No, not at all. The first one is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. If you remember the mnemonic, so SO, which means opposite side, H stands for hypotenuse. Then comes about cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. We can remember it by mnemonic CA. Then comes about tan theta, opposite by adjacent, TOA. TOA, opposite for O for opposite side, A for adjacent side. Then what about the other 3? Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. These are known as reciprocal identities. Then we should know about the ratios for specific angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 for sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Then we can get the values for other ratios also, which is equal to this one. You may wonder, how can we by heart all those things? Need not by heart. I will tell a trick in the coming slide. Then comes complementary angles. If this is theta, this angle becomes 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. See, sin theta is BC by AC. Cos 90 minus theta is also BC minus AC. You can remember it by just adding CO in front of sin. Cos theta is also is equal to 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta. Likewise, secant theta is cosecant 90 minus theta. Just add CO in front of it. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Vice versa is also true. Then comes the Pythagorean identities, which are very important. You have to remember it. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. How to find trigonometric ratios by using our left hand, which means non-dominant hand. Left-handers can use their right hand. Assign specific angle to certain fingers, 0 to thumb, 30 degree to forefinger, 45 degree to the central finger, 60 degree to the ring finger, 90 degree to the pinky finger. Sign ratios, we can get sign ratios by dividing the root of number of fingers above the specific finger divided by 2. For example, sin 0 is number of above fingers is 0, 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. Sin 30, number of fingers above it 1, root of 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Sin 45, root of 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is 3 fingers, so root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is root 4 by 2, that is equal to 1. We can get cos ratios by dividing the square root of number of fingers below the specific finger by 2. Cos 0 is here 4 fingers, so root of 4 by 2, that is equal to 1. Cos 30 is root of 3 by 2. Cos 45 is root of 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0 by 2, that is 0. Here comes the first question in the model question paper. That is numbered 4 in the question paper. The value of sin 60 into cos 30 is, bring your left hand. Sin 60 is number of fingers above it is 3, so root 3 by 2. Cos 30, number of fingers below it is 3, so root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4 is the answer. Find the value of tan theta minus cot 90 minus theta. We should remember about complementary angles. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So we can substitute tan theta instead of cot 90 minus theta, which is equal to 0. It is 1 mark question, so you can write only these steps, but you have to highlight the answer. You have to write actually. This is also 1 mark question. In the figure, angle B is 90 degree, angle A is equal to angle C, BC is 10 centimeter. Find the value of tan 45. They are confusing you. If the angle A is equal to angle B, actually angle A and, sorry not B, angle A and C equal to 45 degree. Tan 45 actually what? 1. Either you can remember it or you can use your left hand. Square root of number of above fingers divided by square root of number of below fingers. Here above also 2, below also 2, 2 by 2, 1. This is 2 mark question. In the figure given below, find the value of sin theta and cos alpha. So, SOH, mnemonic you have to use, you can use, you have to know, you can use. Opposite pi hypotenuse, for theta opposite side is 5, hypotenuse is 13. CAH, CAH, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So, for alpha, adjacent side, sorry, this is alpha, no? Adjacent side is 5 by 13. This is for 3 marks question, which is also very simple. You can select the easier one for you, but you have to practice both here while practicing model question paper. Let me do this one. Here you have to change both cot theta and tan theta in terms of sin and cos. This is the clue. What is LHS? Sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta. You have to change cot theta into cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by 1 minus tan theta into sin theta over cos theta. Then you have to take LCM of for denominators, both these denominator. You have to change 1 into sin theta by sin theta here. Here this 1 into cos theta by cos theta. Then this is in the denominator of the denominator. While dividing, it goes to the numerator. So in the next step, sin square theta over sin minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta over cos theta minus sin theta. We have to take the LCM of these two. See the trick I am using here. Sin square theta over sin theta minus cos theta plus, don't write immediately plus here. I am explaining. Leave the gap here. Cos square theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta changes as, observe, sin theta minus cos theta. So this sign changes into negative. You can directly write here like this. So sin theta minus cos theta becomes the LCM. In the next step, we can use sin square theta minus cos square theta over sin theta minus cos theta. The numerator can be rewritten as sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta by using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b over sin theta minus cos theta. Here you can observe that these two can get cancelled. The remaining thing is sin theta plus cos theta, which is RHS, hence proved. Then let us solve this problem. Cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta over 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta is equal to cot theta. LHS is this one. You have to write, begin from LHS, since LHS is very complex here. In the numerator, cos theta is common, so remove outside 1 minus 2 cos square theta over, here sin theta is common, so sin theta into 2 sin square theta minus 1. The numerator we can change as, observe, sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta. Sorry, here cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. I have changed. 2 I have written as such. In the next step, these things will remain same, only this one. Observe the steps. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, observe the steps. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 minus 2. Here minus minus plus 2 sin square theta. So the whole thing, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 sin square theta minus 1. We can replace the whole thing into 2 sin square theta minus 1. You can observe these two things can get cancelled, which I am going to do in the next step. So what is remaining here? Cos theta over sin theta, which is equal to cot theta, which is RHS. Hence proved.